welcome back to another video. It's a beautiful evening and we are continuing on with our extension here, and we're gonna do 2 more windows and then we're gonna get on with the siding. So let's get started, do the windows, and then we're gonna see really how it looks from the side as well. Feel normal. That also got reinforcement that way. morning, it's the next day and we are going to continue on the siding. As you saw yesterday evening, right at the sunset, we finished these windows. They look absolutely amazing. Kind of really weird aesthetic, but I kind of enjoy it because it follows the same level as the roof. So you're going to be able to watch water rain down the roof, which I find exciting for some reason. And yeah, we're going to get started to apply the wind barrier and then we're going to do the siding. It's very hot today. I can barely breathe with the talking I'm doing. So yeah, it's like 30-ish degrees, something like that, and extreme humidity, and I'm sweating. So I'm gonna get naked and let's get work.
We have 15 minutes past 12 and that's how far we have gotten, and it started to rain. Well, it's more like a drizzle, not real rain, so it's not so harsh on everything because we did not cover that wood, we did not collect that wood, but it's gonna be only for like 2 hours. Hopefully it's gonna stay like this very light rain where you don't really feel it so much, and it's gonna be fine. After 2 hours it's gonna be again sunshine and hot, so I think they'll dry. Most importantly, now we have to close the top because they want to do it before in case there's any wind picking up. Now it's again raining a bit more, but yeah, let's get it done. It takes much longer because we're doing it properly. We're putting the wind barrier, we're sticking it all together, so that's why it's taking a bit more effort, but we would rather do it properly and hopefully This is the most it's gonna rain, the amount. So let's now quickly...
It's refreshing though.
I wouldn't... It's annoying.
I'm gonna learn to make noise like that.
So now we have to put 1 more wood in front and then 4 on the bottom. And then we'll see what the rain is and if we're gonna go inside and continue later. It looks really nice and proper now that it's all closed up.
It does look proper.
It looks really nice.
Okay, after this, what do we go in?
Same as the other one, right?
Yeah, a bit in towards you. You have a flash?
Yeah. It's leaking right in my shoe! That's how it's clean!
Ah, it's a spring.
I don't feel like going through that.
Yeah, really, not much water going on.
Okay, perfect. Nearly 1 month old, and today was their first rain. And as you can see, he was outside for quite a while. Luckily I had like a towel here, so I don't have to dry him because it's like really hot. But what did you do? What did you do? You had fun?
She's asking for your attention.
She's also really wet, but because she's black, you can't tell. They actually were outside, they escaped and they're running in circles, couldn't understand what's falling on them. They were trying to fight it. So, but you, what did you do? Why were you so long in the rain? What did you do? Yeah, what did you do? Crazy.
So it's the next day and the rain is gone, so it's back to beautiful weather. And yesterday we couldn't get much farther done than that. So, and we realized we want to take those off and plane them and make them a bit nicer because they're looking way too rough. And for such a nice project, we want to kind of do it all out. So we can also plane them, so we're going to take those off. So for this video, we are just going to put the black wind-proof wind barrier. And since it says rain maybe in the afternoon, we're just going to get that done. Just so we have less water splashing in. It's not really a big problem, especially in this heat, everything dries pretty quick. But let's get that all sealed and then we're gonna do the siding probably in the next video. So let's get started and seal it with windproof. As you can see, we're finished with this side, and we didn't do the sides because we do have a plan of what we actually want to do next, and that might not be the next video but a few of the upcoming ones, because we do really want to finish this up perfectly. So we kind of have changed our plans again a bit, just so we do it really well. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it with this video. It's looking really professional. It's kind of our first time working with this wind barrier on the siding, but it's working pretty good. And we didn't use tape here, which you normally do. We're gonna be putting kind of a sealant, and then the siding's gonna seal it in. So hopefully that's gonna be good enough. We're not trying to make this like super perfect in that sense, since this kind of is meant to be mostly for summers. But we do also want to make it just in case for winter, so you can have a wood stove in there and you can use it in winter, but not to be extremely perfect, you know. But it should be quite good. So yeah, hope you enjoy. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye.
I think it's pretty perfect. The most perfect we have ever done.
Pretty good.